Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hanging Out with Me in my kitchen space. So in today's episode, let's make some fish fillet curry, and we're going to be making a coconut curry. And these are the list of places that I have for today's recipes. So with me here, I have some fish fillet. This is my coconut, and this is because I do not have the coconut milk or the coconut cream. So I'm just going to make mine right here, right now. I have some salt. This is some cooking oil, some tomato paste. I have a few vegetables here, and they include some capsicum, coriander stems, white onion, coriander leaves, and then for my list of spices, I have some curry powder, because what is a curry without curry powder? I have some black pepper, some Royco seasoning, I have some paprika, this is some turmeric, and this is the bay leaf, and that's pretty much it. So once my pan is hot, I'll go in with about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'm going to wait for it to become hot. Once my oil is hot enough, I'll go in with my onions. And I'm going to sweat my onions. Then at this point, I'll go in with my coriander stems and capsicum, because I want everything today as soft as it can possibly be, because we're making a curry. I'm also going to throw in my spices so that they can have some time to cook. And for the spices, you can use as much as you want, and you can also leave those that you do not like. And also, feel free to use more of what you like and less of what you do not like. I'm going to toast the spices for about a minute till they become fragrant. And I'm also going to add some tomato paste so that it can cook as well. Instead of adding water, I'm just going to add some coconut milk. And that is to help in loosening the tomato paste so that ive haraka haraka. Yeah, so this is okay, and I'm going to go in with my coconut milk. Wow, look at this. This is already looking beautiful. The blend of the red of the tomato paste and the white of the coconut milk. And by the way, if you want another detailed recipe on how to go about coconut milk and coconut cream at home, please let me know, because I'm here for you. So as you can see, it's already thick, and we're using, this is about a cup of coconut milk. I've just added all of it. I'm going to go in with my salt. And remember, my fish fillet has been deep fried. It was well marinated and deep fried, then wrapped with some lemon for a few hours. And I've decided to chop it into halves because these are quite big pieces, as you can see. Wow, this looks so yummy already. I don't know why you shouldn't try this recipe. Inakaa utamu tupu. And you can see how fast our cream has become thick. I'm just going to cover it for about a minute because there's no much cooking here, because our spices are well done. Our coconut milk doesn't need much of the cooking, and our fish fillet is also well done. I'm just tasting and doing the tasting. So hii inaweza malizikia hapa. So I'll just go in with my fish fillet, and remember, you do not want to cook your fish for too long, otherwise itatokana yote and you'll just have some nasty things. Also remember, this is white meat, so in our absorb the flavors very fast. I'm going to sprinkle my coriander leaves because I have a lot, and then I'm just going to coat it in the sauce. Also, if at all you have some lemon, you can squeeze it on top, but I have the lemon, but I'm not into squeezing it on top because I don't like the, okay, haikwangi mbaya, but I prefer you just squeeze it as you eat if at all you need some. Okay, the tanginess is quite okay, but it's not my everyday thing. As you can see, this is pretty much done. I'm just going to cover it for about a minute and not more than that, because you can see this is what is going to happen if you let it sit in the heat for too long. This is pretty much done, and I'm now going to remove the non-edibles, which are the bay leaves. I cut mine into a half, so I'm going to remove the 2 pieces, and voila, just like that, our sauce is ready. So I'm just going to garnish it, cover it for about 30 seconds as I prepare my other side, and I'll see you for serving. So guys, as you've seen, it was not easy preparing this, and now it's time to dig in. And oh, I'm salivating. Look at this. Wow, look at this. For the 1 to 3 minutes that we've soaked our fish, it has already absorbed all the flavors. You have to try out this. So simple, but wow, I'm going to finish this before I even start on my ugali. So let's appreciate the fact that I've been serving you some very balanced diet of late, of which was not the case some time back. So I have my fish fillet curry, which is the protein. I have some vitamins, which are terere, and I have my starch, which is the ugali. Ooh. Wow. Wow, this is so good. Wow. So that's it for today's episode. I'm going to go enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. If you reached to this part of the video, make sure you watch another 1 or 2 or even 3 more videos. I promise you I have very amazing recipes. So I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye. We are not leaving any table unturned.